Hey friends, if you encounter TeamViewer no sound and audio problem and you wish to fix it, then here's how you can do it. Open TeamViewer, click on the settings symbol here, go to audio conferencing, make sure that the volume is good enough and make sure that the mute button is unchecked. It should be unchecked and this green signal should be blinking. The microphone should be the correct microphone, okay? This is also very important and the speaker should also be the correct speaker, otherwise you won't be able to hear it. Was this helpful? Okay, and if it wasn't, then here's one more thing. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the privacy and security tab, go to microphone in the right pane, and you will have to check if TeamViewer exists here. Usually it doesn't. If yes, then you will have to turn the switch on for it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.